I don't know if it'll go with the beat or not, but it's called Fucked Up Love. The shit's evil. Yo, they say if you love something, set it free. And if it don't come back, it wasn't meant to be. All these games you're playing are hurting me. You said no matter what, you'll always love me. But obviously it's plain to see, since my last actions, your heart is now empty. Since the last time we split, I felt nothing but lonely. And it's okay, I don't need you to fucking hold me. But every day hits me more and more, and man, time is passing way too slowly. So, it hurts so much, I just can't control it. I think my anger's coming out, but I'm trying not to show it. Hey, don't forget about my sadness deep down. Every now and then a tear comes around, but I'm not gonna let this shit put me in the ground. Yeah, I'll admit my head's fucked up. Just because my frown's upside down doesn't mean I don't have feelings or emotions pinned up, but buried so far down. Damn, so many years passed by now. I'm a man, so that means there's no time to clown around. Yo, they say if you love something, set it free. And if it don't come back, it wasn't meant to be. All these games you're playing are hurting me. All these games you're playing are hurting me. Well, I guess it's time to end this phase, cause honestly by the look on your face, you're content now. Yeah, in your happy little place, but I know you're not happy, it's plain to see, cause it's still fucked up and crazy as can be. Yep, it's all making sense to me. It was obviously never meant to be. But you wanna know something? It doesn't bother me. And if you hatin' bitch, I'll flip my switch and start laughing, cause I don't give two shits. Plus, it gives me motivation. So every day when I wake up, that's what I go bathing. And it's really low and shames me when you be so quick to try and blame me. Well, guess what, bitch? It's not my fault. Yep. And now my cracks begin to show, but they're moving slow all around my senseless heart. But I don't just love myself. Oh, unlike you, I love everybody and myself. So I guess that's just a start, right? Well, it's fine. I'll do me while you all have all these other guys get underneath. Yeah, I mean in the sheets. Sooner or later, you'll hear about me blowing up, and I'm not talking about my brain, bitch. No, not my brain. I'm talking about growing up. Obviously I rap, and you know it's crap. What? It's not crap, cause it has to do with you and your stupid ass. But that's fine. I can't read right now, I guess. I'm lost. And I'm sorry, you're a slut now. But it's going around the town, and it just means you're choosing to whore around and push me even more away. But it's okay, I don't need brainwashed anyway. And if you need to fuck, I'll come over and I'll bust a few nuts, but I'm not yours. So in the morning, you better know I'm out the door, cause other than my cock, you don't love me anymore. I can't read for